Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage from Instagram notifications easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram, then click on your profile, then go to these three lines and then go to the notifications, and next go to this from Instagram. So as you see here, we have this reminders. You can turn this on or off, whatever you want. The same thing here, product announcements and feedback, the uploads and sharing, the content integrity, the support requests, and the trending places. So that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.